All right, this week's Different Thinker Motivational Moment, things that definitely go with and form my individual independent thinking, ADHD, dyslexia, autism types of folks, is actually a little bit of a bonus. Anyhow, this week's Different Thinker Motivational Moment is about this. And I'll admit, I'm using this device from these people. That's okay. Notice she is currently without power. This has been just an absolutely beautiful game changer. Notice it does not have a screen. That's a bonus. So if you sometimes struggle with short-term memory where you think of something and then it falls out and you don't even have time to write it down, or this is a real common thing. You think about something, you go to put it in your phone, so forth, and as soon as you open the phone, the notifications distract you and you actually forget what you went to write down. And it was something important and you wanted to keep it. A device like this is one of your new best friends. They are available through Apple products, they're available through Google products, they're available through, obviously, these people. Why they're amazing is because when you have those thoughts, you can instantly say, so-and-so, take a note, so-and-so, send me, put a notification on my calendar of this. You can actually, as you're thinking of it, speak it out and have it happen and not get distracted by a screen or notifications or anything else. I know this seems like not a big deal, but it's fabulous. It allows you to take great notes. So that is my Different Thinker Motivational Moment this week. Please share this with somebody. If you listen to this and you were like, oh my gosh, so-and-so needs to do this. They're always saying, I can't remember anything. I gotcha. I get it. If you can't tell, I'm on the road. This is the camper. This is the trailer that's holding my motorcycle. Like, I'm going to have a great weekend enjoying a nice BMW motorcycle rally in the back country of Wisconsin, which, by the way, has some phenomenal roads when you get down in the southwest part of Wisconsin. And one of the ways it was easier to do this is I was creating lists on this as I would think of things we needed to pack, as I was like, oh, let's not forget this. Right? It all went there. I did not open anything and get distracted by that. And it allowed that information to drop into my head and then drop actually somewhere else so I could grab it later on. It was useful. So I'm JoyGenea, international neurodiversity coach, traveler, motorcycle rider, and just human being extraordinaire. I hope this has been helpful. Please pass it on to somebody else. Please comment. Please like. All those things. Let's just make the world an easier place. Bye now.